Welcome. In this video, we are going to learn AngryFuzzer information gathering tool in Linux. Discover hidden files and directories on a web server. The application tries to find URL relative paths of the given website by comparing them with the given site. Features: fuzz URL set from an input file, concurrent relative path search, configurable number of fuzzing workers, fuzz CMS, that is WordPress, Drupal, Joomla, generate reports of the valid paths. Let's open up terminal, type cd space desktop, change root directory to desktop. Let's download the angryfuzzer.git file. Type git space clone https github.com hebski angryfuzzer.git. Here we can see that cloning is started. Receiving object is 100% done. Now change the terminal directory to angryfuzzer directory. Type cd space angryfuzzer. Type ls to see the files and subdirectories. We can see that angryfuzzer.py. Let's run the angryfuzzer.py Python file. Type python space angryfuzzer.py. Here we can see that basic syntax as python angryfuzzer.py space -h. The options are -h show help message, -q for quit silent mode, -u for URL, and so on. Let's open a browser and open hackingtool.com. Let's scan the hackingtool.com using AngryFuzzer tool. It will check with some of the random file names and directory names. Type python space angryfuzzer.py space -u http hackingtool.com space --cms space wp. Here you can see that in green font reports valid paths for files and directories in hackingtool.com. In red, not found. So that's it in this video. Thank you for watching this video.